Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is second video in our C++ programming language course. Today we will learn introduction to C++. C++ programming language is an enhanced version of C language which uses or provides object-oriented programming capabilities. C++ is high-level programming language. C++ has English phrases or English statements for programming, which make it easy to understand by us. You can use a C++ compiler to compile C programmers. Use C++ compiler or interpreter. Easy to use compiler. So we use Dev C++ compiler or Visual Studio to compile C++ programs. C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. Why use C++? There are many languages in the world, but why we use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular language. C++ can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. As C++ is close to C# and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. Which means if you know C# or Java language or C language, so it will become easy for you to understand C++. C++ is fun and easy to learn. Where C++ is used? It is used for development of new applications of C++. We can use C++ to develop applications for computer, or also we can create games. This language is also used for developing games. There is animated software which is developed by the help of C++ language. We can also create softwares or animated software with the help of C++ language. This language is used for developing browsers as well. C++ is used for making Google Chrome and Mozilla Internet browser Firefox, which means it is very important to learn C++. C++ language is most important language because it is used for many purposes. If you are new in programming, so it is good for you to start from C++. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.